Oh shit, babe, it's Albert. Albert, go away. I know you want to sleep here, Albert. Hey! What's up, Albert? Go. I know. Nah, he dipped. He's still limping, too. Hey, what's up? Don't run, don't run. All right, Albert, see you later. That's our cat, Albert. We think the past people left him. But I ain't gonna lie, these dogs will fuck his ass up. Especially Milo, but cause Killer just been letting them run past him. But I know Milo, that shit over with. I ain't gonna lie. He probably sleep though.
Knocked out.
Yeah, she said he knocked out. Oh, it felt good to just look out here, take a piss, go back in the tent, and rub your bitch's booty. Oh no! Don't hit that killer. Boy, hey, you better get that damn cat. YouTube was good. Farm Life Cow, Farm Life King. This boy not even white no more. My boy dirty. Farm life, man. Let's go check on my emus. Emu. We gotta put tarp in the redfoot tortoise pond and bury that so that they can have water. Dig a pond for the reticulated python and completely fence his enclosure. Put the real fence up around Bubba's enclosure. Alrighty, I'm gonna grab y'all water and feed. We talked to a vet down here. All the emu people on Facebook are like, no, put him down. And the vet's like, give him a chance. He just got outside, this, and that. He hops around, so that's okay. We got mixed thoughts on Stanky Leg, man. I'm pretty sure it's best just to put him down, but we're gonna see now that he's outside. This is what you call a pump house. It's electric powered, and there's a well under here. And it pumps out to here, and it pumps into the house. All right, man. So, I thought that was my pops pulling up. He down here with us for 3 days, helping get some work done. Pops always involved, bro. That nigga always been in my life. So that nigga gonna be in, put his hands in anything I'm in. That nigga out here digging ponds with me, everything. We finna get the dogs water, but it's gonna be the hottest day. The county we're in put out a notice. So we're gonna bring the dogs in the AC. It feels good in the shade though, not gonna lie. And it's still early, so the heat ain't really hit yet, but in the sun, I did a tweak. Anissa had to remind me. I was unfolding that fence to start fencing Bubba's enclosure. And man, look at this. The fence right there, I laid it out. But like all of this that I wanna work in is in the sun, which would be good for the reptiles because y'all know they love heat. Where all these animals come from is super hot. Other countries like Argentina, Indonesia, where the tortoise is from. Them bitches from South America too. But I really want to remove this fig tree. And I compared to the apartment. You good? Oh my gosh, you dickhead ass dog. I guess he's saying I don't got much grass. I'll move this tent. Hold on. We're gonna take this whole door out. That shit creepy as hell, ain't it? I wanna put some futuristic shit on here. You could type it in. That's gonna look cool. Old shed with some technology. But yeah, it's gonna be the hottest day of the year so far. So we gotta bring the dogs inside around peak. So it would be good out here because they're all in the shade, but they gotta adjust. We can't just start such a drastic change like that. So let's go around and check on all these reptilians that are in here. Cause we still got 1, 2, 3 animals in bins. The big snake and the tegus. So the big red tegu, he'll be ready like soon. I'm gonna cut his thing after we eat. And we'll get to doing that. Put him outside after we put some dirt in that enclosure. Then I'm gonna start doing all these guys' enclosures. We got mail.
Oh, he said he gets the end of
Let's make sure ain't no damn bugs in Bubba's pond. So we're gonna go over there. Let's see. Ooh, boy. Hottest day of the year. This shit feels good. I might build one of these for us. Baby, if you wanted me to build us a swimming pond, where would it be? Out front? All right, yo. I did this one first. I'm gonna do this one for Bubba and that one for the snapper for now. Yeah. Sweat dripping in my eyes, man. Hottest day of the year, but here it go. I started putting the fence on. I gotta get more. We can go all the way around this part, and those is gonna be separate. So we're gonna go around this one first. I gotta put 4 separate posts up over there. So time lapse time. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all. Yes, sir. Almost done with this part. Then I got this one and this one. And I'm gonna make a door. A big old door for that, probably. Alright, this almost done. It's tedious, but I'm cutting that out. And then I'm gonna probably screw something right there, just in case. But I gotta do that for this, and this side, and this side. Yes, fucking sir. Shit strong too, man. Ain't nothing pushing in or out. Zoo enclosure, boy. Look at this shit. Oh man, I'm so happy. Ready? Look at Philip. Alright, man. 1, 2, and we got this whole wall. Somebody asked a dumbass question. Why did we gotta put this wall up, but why didn't we wait to buy the materials down here? Why the fuck would we wait to buy the materials down here and be having to leave and stuff, you idiot? We got all the stuff on the property. We done built all the cages. Ain't had to leave to go to the store yet. This is the main thing we done did today. Yes, sir. Articulated python enclosure. All we need is the roof, this right here, and the door. Everything else is completed. But I also put that fence up this morning. So we're gonna put this around the back side coming back around. They're gonna have something separating them. But yeah, it's all coming together, man. Ooh. Can't wait to have a big ass snake in there though.